So I was looking up on archive.org and I saw some Windows XP Horror Edition, and I decided it would be great to try out this in a video, and today we will do that. So let's download the zip. Why? Oh, but why not this? Let's try to see its contents. Distracted and peaceful? Of course I'm going with distracted. And they just spelled peaceful wrong. Peaceful. Supermeme blocked this download because this file is dangerous. Download dangerous file. No, this is not dangerous. This is free Minecraft. I want to play free Minecraft. Okay, just to be safe, I'm going to remove the internet. Yeah, I find you. Bye bye internet. Start Windows normally. Come on. Come on. I should be trying free Minecraft. No, shut up Microsoft. Your computer might be at risk. Yeah, I wonder why. Okay, let's this file validation that words you should only run for publishers. I trust it. Oh. It's installing Windows updates. Do not turn off or unplug your computer. Okay. This looks borderline fake. I'm sure this is just Windows Forms put. Setup cannot copy file anti.ydl. Setup will use 666.syst. Yeah, it's cliche. Don't look behind you. What is behind me? Yeah, probably there will jump scares. I will put this warning aside. I don't know. This is just fake, cheap effects. Hello? Will you ever do something other? Hey. I swear if this is just that. Hello? Yeah, I think we are stuck. What are we doing? Can I just see the CPU usage? Yeah, it's fucking up my CPU. Hello? Are you mining Bitcoin? I love Bitcoin. Where's my free Minecraft? Oh man, I got scammed. I will just... Yeah, let's reset this computer. I'm watching you. Oh, okay. Created by Hobby Chip. Can I do anything? Yeah, it's just, and it's rendering buggy. I should take let's try the peaceful version. I should. Oh, I'm not a robot. Or am I? Let's go with peaceful this time. Okay, Google, I know what I'm doing. Okay, here we go again. Please properly work this time. I assume you were running into an error. 666.dll. Run. What is the sound? Yeah, probably there will be a jump scare. But what is this music? Why are you playing up that Microsoft song? Okay, classic creepypasta Minecraft song. Okay, it's a little bit loud. Oh, peace. Should I reset it again? This shouldn't be destructive. Yeah, let's wait for a while. Okay, I'm resetting. I don't care. Yeah, it's booting normally this time again. Nothing was changed. We got definitely scammed. Oh, was that it? I don't know. I was expecting it to change my boot thing, and yeah, probably that's it. Yeah, sorry for wasting your time. My time is wasted too. But yeah, I have nothing else to show. That's all the thing I got. Yeah, let's put this in the trash. Yeah, empty to recycle bin. Bye bye. So the funny thing about this is, developer of this project watched my video because I tried to run this program as well in my last video if you didn't watch it, and I didn't saw this link that I need to download it to run. So they this link MCVC version was on top of the page. They moved this to bottom just because of me. So we will download MinGV version this time because this happens not to require any Microsoft stuff. Hi guys. Windows mentioned.